You're in the middle of your trial here in New York, and now you disagree with your attorney's strategy. You disagree so much you want to fire your attorney and now hire another attorney to take his place and now continue on with the trial. Number one, do you think that's a good idea? Number two, do you think that's going to happen? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. Do I think it's a good idea? No, I don't. I think it's a terrible idea. It's okay to disagree with an attorney's strategy, but you've got to clarify and you've got to ask him to explain why he believes in this particular strategy. And now, if you disagree, you turn around and say, you know what, you're fired. I'm getting another attorney to take over this case. We'll continue on tomorrow. Well, here's the reality. There is no attorney that I know of who's now going to step into the shoes in the middle of a trial to continue on. You want to know why not? It's because the attorney knows nothing about you. The attorney knows nothing about your case. The attorney knows nothing about the legal issues that are involved. The attorney doesn't have the time to read up and to get up to speed on anything that's going on in your case. And it's highly unlikely that the trial judge is going to allow you the opportunity to have an extended gap in time in which to get a new attorney, and now for that attorney to now get up to speed so that he's fully prepared to continue on with your case. Has he prepared the experts? Has he prepared witnesses? Has he read all the testimony? Has he understood or learned about the testimony that went on up until this point? The answer is no, 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 no. He hasn't done any of that. So you will not find any attorney who's willing to go in and immediately take over, step into the shoes, and it's highly unlikely any trial judge will allow you to adjourn your particular case for days or even weeks at a time to allow another attorney to step into your original attorney's shoes and continue moving this case forward. So yes, you may not agree with your attorney's strategy, but your alternatives are no better. And if you decide that your attorney no longer is the right one for you, that's okay. You now have to ask the judge for permission to fire your attorney. Now the court proceedings will stop. The judge may declare a mistrial, and now he may give you sufficient time to try and find an attorney, but it's going to be months before your attorney now is ready and able to take over your case, and the judge permits you to get back on the trial calendar to now go forward with your trial. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. But I have to tell you something. If you're considering calling me in the middle of your trial to ask advice, I have to tell you, I can't do it. I won't do it. Why? Because I'm at a significant disadvantage. I don't know all the details. I haven't read all the materials. I'm not up to speed on any of this. And besides, I can't give you any legal advice since I can't take you on as a client. So because of that, I'm going to suggest that you not call me in the middle of your trial. Instead, if you're watching this because you're curious or have questions about how these cases work, and now you're contemplating bringing a case for something that happened here in New York, but you haven't started a case yet, then I invite you to pick up the phone and call me, because then I can answer your legal questions. You know, you can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.